I'm Evelyn Digor Castelo. I was born in Baybay, Leyte in 1965.
I am a game and sport attendant in one of the prestigious club, Hong Kong Country Club. I came to Hong Kong in 1994. I have 3 kids and I am a single mother.
When I reached Hong Kong, I was shocked. How many Filipinas are here? And most of them are sitting on the street. Sabi ko, parang ang hirap-hirap naman ng buhay dito.
Nung bata pa kami, ang wala sa amin is toilet. Nahihirapan kami kasi pupunta ka pa sa talahiban, something like that. So, ang inisip ko, balang araw magkakaroon ako ng magandang toilet. First of all is yung location niya. Malapit sa LRT, malapit sa mga shopping malls, and maganda yung place. At saka malapit dun sa kinalakihan kong Antipolo. Kasi matatag yung kumpanya. And Mr. C, which is ina-idolize ko rin siya, na he came from a very humble beginning. Nakita ko yung istorya niya na paano siya nagsikap. I really feel proud of myself. I got the achievement. Not only the toilet na pangarap ko since I was a child, and maraming facilities like swimming pool and everything.
Of course, you will be very happy. Can you imagine? Meron kang isa sa mga pinakatatag na company na nabilhan mo. Evelyn, you did it. Dati patingin-tingin ka lang dyan. Ay, meron ka na rin pala.